of course. Who is the boss here? I'm the boss. Imagine a strategy that not only gives clear cues but also helps you stay afloat in any market phase. And today I will show you my favorite strategy based on the Alligator Indicator, a simple but highly effective tool that can be your reliable partner in trading. Before we start, a quick reminder. We have a VIP channel where daily trading ideas are posted. There are 2 trading sessions every day with at least 3 ideas per session, allowing for stable earnings. My students' average win rate is 70%. Everyone in my group makes money. If you want more ideas like this, join our community. Just message me to get the details. Now let's move to the setup. First, switch the chart type to candles and then select a 15-second time frame. Yes, it's important, just follow my settings step by step and everything will be okay. I set the expiration time to 1 minute. The investment amount will be $700. Set your preferred amount based on your risk comfort level. Now we go to the indicators tab. Here we select the Alligator Indicator, leave its settings on default, and let's add currency pairs for quick switching. Okay, let's find something interesting. The first trade is going long. Now let me explain the entry logic. We see a local uptrend. Additionally, we see multiple crossovers of the indicator lines here. This forms a dynamic support zone, from which the price rebounds and continues rising with the main trend. I'm expecting solid growth here, and this is great entry point. Waiting for results, and so far the price is following our scenario. Don't go up. Oh, sorry, down, of course. Yeah, the entry point was strong, so I'm confident in this trade success. Okay, everything is okay. And what's the result? Just 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and yes! Yes, guys, it's a win. Awesome. Friends, I have some important news. Each of you can enable copy trading for my trades. This is a unique chance to earn passively, as the system will simply replicate my trades on your account. If this interests you, message me and I'll tell you how it works. Another trade gone long. And now let me explain why. You've probably figured it out already, right? This strategy is very straightforward. Here we see a crossover of indicators lines forming a strong support level at the intersection point. This is a local reversal point, where price should continue moving up with the main trend. Yeah, I expect the price to break previous highs. Yes, solid growth. This is a pure dopamine. See, it's just strategy plus market mechanics. Watch my videos more often and you will feel the market just as well. As I said, the price is pushing toward breaking the previous high. Yes, I love it. Yes, it's a profit! And that's a win. Ladies and gentlemen, easy and simple. Okay. We immediately open another long trade. Why did I do that? Here I'm relying more on market mechanics and taking advantage of increased buyer activity. Look, price continues actively rising along the main trend, bouncing from the lower edge of the channel. Yeah, I'm expecting the move to continue. As you can see, volatility has risen sharply and price fluctuations have intensified. But the overall trend keeps the same. And this is not working. Look at the volatility. Oh my god. Yes, 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 and yes! Oh my god, that was close. I can't believe. Oh my god, guys, it's a profit. Okay, let's continue. Another trade entering long. Let's see why I went up. We see a very clear crossover of alligator indicator lines right under our entry point. We also see an overall uptrend. I expect solid price growth toward previous highs. This is an ideal entry point. Come on, don't let me down. Keep climbing. Yes, guys, this is beautiful. Just going up. Yes, straight to the moon. Keep climbing. Oh my god, guys, do you see that? Yes! Of course, of course. Who is the boss here? I'm the boss. Entering long here. Okay. Same. We see the alligator lines converging at a single point, and we also notice an uptrend. Our trade is placed at the trend, making this a reliable entry. The odds are in our favor. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. It's going down. The volatility has spiked. Come on, climb. I'm counting on you. Just 14 seconds. Yes! Don't you dare close in loss. Just go up. Oh my god, 2 seconds? No. No, guys, it's a loss. Okay, so I'm entering long again, doubling the position to cover the previous loss and make profit. The idea is the same. We just ran out of expiration time on the last trade by mere seconds. Based on all factors, I believe this move should play out as I planned. Waiting and hoping for a good outcome. The price is so volatile today. It's no rocking. Waiting for results is the most torturous part. Come on! Yes! 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 It's a win, guys. It was so close. Guys, it's unbelievable. I'm so happy. And here are our results. Look at this beauty. The strategy works. Most of the trades close in profit. Admit it, it's a fantastic feeling, you know, guys. Okay, it's time to spend those earnings. If you are interested in more trading strategies and ideas, you can get trading signals directly. Just message me and I'll send you a real-time trading idea. This is your chance to not only get an accurate signal, but to start earning immediately by following a proven strategy. Don't miss out on earning big money. The Alligator Indicator strategy is a tried and true method that can help you catch trend starts and profit from strong moves. This tool provides clear signals, letting you confidently follow the trend logic without guessing. Remember, the market changes and successful trades require discipline and risk control. Use the strategy as an extra tool in your decision making, and you'll see how it can help you grow your funds. For more ideas and strategies like this, subscribe to our web channel where daily trading ideas are posted. Join trading session and follow our professional approach to market analysis and trading. And see you all next time. Bye bye!